4, problem number 7, test the hypothesis using the p-value approach. Be sure to verify the requirements of the test. So in this problem, we don't have to come up with the null and alternative hypotheses. We're given the null hypothesis is p equal to 0.65. The alternative hypothesis is p less than 0.65. Here our number of observations is 150. Our number of successes is 87, and we're looking at alpha equal to 0.1. So first we need to verify one of the requirements is n times p naught times 1 minus p naught greater than or equal to 10. Let's take a little closer look at that. So here from the problem, we're given that n is equal to 150, p naught is given as 0.65, and then 1 minus p naught is 1 minus 0.65, which gives us 0.35 here. So when you plug that in the calculator, you get 34.125, which is definitely greater than or equal to 10. So we can verify that yes, that is true. Final check. Okay. Use technology to find p-value. So we're going to go up to question help, StatCrunch. Make that a little bit smaller just so that we can see the problem. So here we're going to go to stat, and again, we're doing the proportion stats. If we were doing the hypothesis test about the mean, we would be looking at t-stats. So here we're at proportion stats. We have one sample. We don't have our data. In this one, we have the summary data. So we're going to say with summary, the number of successes, that's that X over here, that's 87. Number of observations, that's our N, that's 150. And that's all you have to do on the top part. Let's scroll down. As you can see, hypothesis test is already automatically selected. We're going to input our p naught. In this case, it's 0.65. And we need to put in our comparison for the alternative hypothesis. And again, from the problem, it's less than. You can see that all right here, where it gives us the null and alternative hypotheses. So that's all you have to do. Once you click compute, that brings up this new table. As you can see here, it gives us we're looking at the proportion. It gives us our X, our N, our sample proportion that's based on the data, and then it gives us our standard error, z-stat, and right now what we're looking at is our p-value. So this one says to round to 3 decimal places, so that's going to give us 0.036. Let's go ahead and minimize that. Check answer. Good job. Now, if anyone has any questions about how to find that or what that means, let me know. Now that we're given our p-value, remember, if our p-value is less than alpha, then we reject the whole null hypothesis. Otherwise, we do not reject. In this case, our p-value is 0.036. Our alpha is 0.1. So our p-value is less than our alpha. So we would reject the null hypothesis because the p-value is less than alpha. Check answer. Well done. All right, that's how you do number 7. If you have any questions on this problem or any other ones, let me know.